Hi everybody, Roger here. I just want to give you a quick little tutorial on how to assign your online assessments that are coming up for both the 4th and 5th grade. As you can see here, I'm already logged into Think Central. I'm on the dashboard, so this is where things would begin. I'm going to come over here to Assignments. I'm going to click on Assignments. Once you do so, it's going to bring you up to your Assignments page. Now, if you have assignments loaded up, they'll appear here. If you've got nothing, that's fine. But right here, you're going to see these administrators' assignments. And what you're going to do is click on that link. Now, once you do so, a whole list of assignments, I say a whole list, but there's only 2 at this time. But a list of assignments will come up that I have created. These are the assessments that have been modified, and these are the ones that you're going to be giving to your students. So here we've got grade 5 math chapter 4. This is the performance task. And here we got grade 5 math chapter 4, just the regular test. So from here I would come over and I would assign. You can see here this one says reassign. It's because I've already assigned it as my test class. If you have not assigned a test though, this would simply say assign. So I will click on assign. Once I do so, I'm going to come over here and select a class. And that would be whatever your class name is. From here you've got your students on the left hand side. I'm simply going to click all. Now if you have a combo class, obviously you could select the students you want and just add the ones that you want. That is completely and totally up to you. The next few things you're going to want to add here is an available date. This would be the date that you want the test to begin. And then the due date, this would be when the test ends. Another thing to think about, this is a test, so you might want to make this available only during a certain time. Anytime opens it up for a 24-hour window, so the students could theoretically go home and take this test at home. So from here I'm going to do a schedule daily, and let's say for instance my test is available from 9 a.m. and I'm going to give this to 11 a.m. Now, if you plan on giving the test at 2 different parts of the day, you could obviously make this from 9 to 3, whatever it is that fits your needs. The other things you've got to think about here, password to access the assessment, there's really no need for that. Allowing students to see their answers, this is at the end, so it's perfectly okay to click yes. Standards available, that's going to be dealt with within Elluminate, so do not worry about that. And mastery level is set at the district standard there. Following an adaptive workflow, this is not an adaptive test, so we're going to leave that as no, which means we do not have to worry about the workflow type. Once you do so, you're going to go ahead and hit save. It may ask you, you're about to create a new assignment. We are simply going to hit OK. And once we do so, that test will now be available to my students. Now, if for some reason you do not see the assignment here, it is not because it has not been assigned. It's simply because your find assignments, your due dates probably are off a little bit. So if you do assign this test, say for December 4th, and this says December 1st, it would not appear here. To find it, you would just simply click here. You can go through and select the date that you want, and then hit find, and it will populate that test for you. If you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to email, call. Let me know how things are going. This is obviously a new step for all of us, so we're all trying to learn on how this system can be used to help test and help our students learn how to work with both a computer, the testing, and then at the same time utilizing scratch paper as they would on a traditional math test. So please keep us informed. Let us know how we can make this experience easier for you and for your students, and we'll do what we can to make that happen. Thank you, and have a great day.